and like, look at that. Look at the bounce, honey. Look at the bounce. Hey my classy ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be doing a honest true review on Wiggins hair. So if you're interested in this video, then keep on watching. Okay you guys, so today's video I am going to be giving you guys the rundown on Wiggins hair. This one is going to be my honest opinion, and it is my opinion, you guys. Yeah, so this is my first time purchasing from Wiggins hair, and I do have a lot of experience on lace front wigs, so I feel like I can give you guys a honest review on my opinion on this hair. So let's first talk about the shedding, because I feel like everybody always wants to know, does the hair shed a lot? Because that's always my biggest concern. Just because from past experience, like I've had hair where it shed so much, like within literally 2 days from me purchasing it, it shedded so much that I had so many different bald spots in the lace that I could not even wear the lace wig. So shedding is a big thing for me. Shedding is always something that I always want to know if the hair does, because it can make or break your hair if you can wear it or not wear it. That is a huge thing. So let's first start off with shedding. Does this hair shed? Does Wiggins hair shed? And I've worn this wig for over a week, or about a week, and I can honestly say that the shedding is not bad at all. I mean, every hair sheds, of course, but you have some wigs and hair that sheds so bad. Like I've told you my past experience with shedding. Like you have some that sheds just so bad, like literally strands and strands of hair. Every single time you brush it or comb it, it's shedding. Balls and clumps of hair is coming out. So with this, it does not shed that bad at all. The shedding is literally minimum amounts of shedding. So this gets a 10 out of 10 when it comes to shedding. It does shed. I'm not saying it doesn't shed. It does shed, but the shedding is so little and minor that you don't even really notice it. Like you can literally run your hands through the hair and it does not shed. Like it does not. You know, you really would have to like brush it really hard or comb it really hard for it to actually shed. So this hair is perfect for if you want a wig that does not shed. So this is definitely a 10 out of 10 when it comes to shedding. Okay, so the next thing that I'm sure you guys want to know is, how is the lace? When it comes to lace, you can have some lace that is really hard and it looks so unnatural, and you literally have to do so many things to make it look natural, as far as plucking, bleaching, tinting it with lace tint, or using foundation to color it so it can match your skin tone. Like it's so many different things when it comes to lace. So I know lace is another really concern, what people wants to know. How is the lace? Is it hard? Is it soft? Is it blendable? Like, is it transparent? What is it? Is it a good quality lace? So this lace is a HD lace. So if you guys don't know, when it comes to HD lace is extremely soft. Extremely soft. I did do a unboxing video, so if you guys have not seen that video, please go check it out so you guys can actually see up close and personal how the lace is, and how the HD lace is. And so you guys can see how soft it is. So please check out that video if you have not checked that one out. So this is a HD lace. It is extremely soft, it is extremely transparent, and it is extremely blendable. It does blend and melt into your skin flawlessly, literally flawlessly. Like when I first put it on my head, it melted so good. I did do a video of an install, so if you haven't seen that video, also check that video out as well, and you guys can see how well it blended. Like, do you see that? Like, do you see that, girl? What? This is my hair, okay? Like, this is growing out of my scalp. This is giving me scalp, okay? Okay, this is scalp for me, okay? So yes, this is definitely a melting type of a lace. So I'm gonna rate it. Let me say one more thing, and then I'm gonna rate it when it comes to the lace. So yes, this is a good quality lace. It does melt into your skin flawlessly, but there's one down thing about this lace, and I don't know if it's because it's an HD lace because it's so soft, or is it just because the type of lace that they're using. I did do some plucking on this lace, right? And I'm really gentle. My hands are very gentle. When I do my wigs, I'm really gentle with my wigs because I know that it can you know, get messed up really easily. So I'm very gentle with my wigs. So when I was plucking, I literally was plucking like really gentle, and still I managed to get like 4 holes inside the lace. Yes, 4, not 1, but 4 holes inside my lace. And also I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to put it somewhere here or on the big one, or put it in full screen. I'm going to show you guys what I had to do to fix it. Not what I had to do, but what I already did. I had to sew the holes up to close the lace, just to close it. Thank God it's not noticeable when I put my hair on, thank God. But the fact that I got 4 holes inside my lace from plucking it is like making me wonder, like, how did it get so many holes, you know? And I was so gentle with it. So that's a little downfall with this lace. Like I said, I'm not sure if it's because the lace that they use, or overall that's how HD lace is, because it's really soft. Please comment down below and let me know if you guys ever experienced that with HD lace. Have you guys ever got holes inside your lace while you were plucking it? Even if you're plucking extremely gentle, have you guys gotten that? Please comment down below and let me know, because I'm so curious. I was like mind blown, like, how did I get 4 holes inside my lace and I was so gentle plucking it? I don't know. So overall, it is a great quality lace, but far as, you know, the holes I did not like. I didn't like I had to repair them, and the fact that they tear so easily. So I will give the lace a 9 out of 10, just simply because of the holes. Overall, the lace is great. It blends fine. It melts into your skin. It's really good with foundation. As you can see, this parting looks flawless as well. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10 for that one. Okay, so the next thing I know people would like to know is, does this hair has a lot of like split ends, a lot of flyaways, a lot of, you know, unevenness? Because I noticed that wigs that I've had in the past has so many different split ends and flyaways, and literally I will go outside and my hair is like whoosh, like literally flying like a like literally the flyaways are flying like a bird. So I hate freaking flyaways. So I know you guys want to know, does this hair has a lot of flyaways? Does it have a lot of split ends? Because this is a major deal when it comes to lace fronts wig. And I can honestly say, out of all of my past experience from lace wigs, this hair is by far the best when it comes to flyaways and split ends. There are really literally no split ends. Like, there's some, but it's so, like, you can't even notice it. Like, it's so minimal that you don't even notice the flyaways. Like, do you see this? Like, the hair is so even. Like, I love the fact that everything is pretty much even when it comes to the fronts. It's pretty even. Like, it's overall all around even, and there's not much flyaways at all. There's not much flyaways. So I give that a 10 out of 10 when it comes to flyaways and split ends. There are not really many split ends at all. Like, I didn't have to, because usually when there are split ends, I would take scissors and try to cut off the split end. I didn't have to do that at all with this hair. None at all. So this is definitely a 10 out of 10 when it comes to the split ends, because I didn't even have to do that. This hair is literally flawless. Another thing that I love about this hair is that it comes very silky and shiny, and you don't even have to like moisturize it, you know, because usually I have to moisturize my hair. I have my lace wigs, I have to put a lot of conditioner in there to get that dryness out. This one I didn't have to do that. I literally co-washed it with conditioner one time after I did my dyeing, because I did watercolor this hair jet black. So after I did that, I literally co-washed it with conditioner one time, and that was it. And look how silky and shiny this is. Like, I don't know if you guys can see. Do you see the shine onto this hair? Like, what? Wiggins is killing it. Wiggins is killing the game when it comes to shine, shedding, when it comes to, you know, overall good quality. This is a good quality lace wig. Let's see what else. Also, the thickness. Let's talk about the thickness for a second, because I've had a 250 density before wig, and I got it from, I'm not going to expose it. I'm not even going to say where I got it from. But I did get a 250 density wig before, and when I tell you, it was nowhere near as thick. Like, do you see this? You can't even see my arms. Like, do you see how thick this is? Like, this is definitely 250 density, okay? This is so thick. Like, even when I put it in a ponytail, the ponytail holder slides off because it's so thick. Like, it's like, I don't know if I explained it right, but like when I put it in a ponytail, I can't like do it 3 times. Like, I can't tie it 3 times because it's so thick, so it literally slides off. That's how thick the hair is. Like, it is so thick. I can barely put it into a ponytail. So this is definitely 250 density, and yes, it's beautiful, honey. It is beautiful, honey. Okay. Let's see what else is very important when it comes to this wig. So yeah, this is definitely extremely thick. So I rate thickness 250 density. I rate that a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, baby, because it is definitely 250 density thick. Okay, it gets a 10 for me. It's a 10 for me. Okay. Yes. So I just absolutely love this hair. Let's see what else. Oh, is it easy to flat iron? Is it easy on heat? That's a good question too, because I know a lot of people would like to know that, because some hair is not good with heat. Like, you'll have to keep constantly flat ironing it over and over and over again just to get it really straight. This hair, literally, I flat ironed it each strand one time. Not kidding, not joking at all. No laughs here, okay? I am very serious. I literally flat ironed each strand one time. That's all I needed. That's all I have to do, because it is so good on heat. No burning at all. Literally, I put a little oil on there for like a heat protectant to keep it protected. I took the flat irons and I literally went on each strand one time, and that's all it needed. And I mean, look at it. Like, look, do you see this? Like, do you? I don't get it. I don't think you guys get it, okay? I don't think you guys get it. This hair is bomb. This hair is by far the best hair I've gotten in like ever. Like ever. This is the best hair ever. I'm definitely going to be shopping with them again, and they're definitely affordable. Like, I paid for this one, I think it was like $500, and like, look at that. Look at the bounce, honey. Look at the bounce. I know, I joke a lot, but I'm serious. Do you guys see the bounce on this hair? Like, this hair is everything. This hair is giving me so much life. Like, what? Like, come on. This is my hair, okay? No. So yeah, overall, I love this hair. And like I said, I will put the link down below so you guys know where exactly the link to the hair, the exact type of style and hair that this is. I hope you guys enjoyed this lovely honest review. This is not sponsored at all. I worked extremely hard for my money, and I purchased this with my own money, and I'm a type of person that I know what it's like to work hard for your money and buying things and purchasing things, you know, that's good quality. That's what I love. I want to try my best to buy as much good quality things, just because I don't want to waste my money, because money is precious, okay? And I know how important money is, so I always do honest reviews onto my channel. Yeah, so I just wanted to share this review with you guys, just because this is my first time purchasing from this place, like I said. And also, what made me purchase from this place is I actually saw a YouTuber do a beautiful hairstyle with this company, with Wiggins hair, and I was like, you know what, let me try them out and see how they are, and I'm so happy that I did. I definitely will be purchasing from them again, just because I feel like they do have one of the best quality hair, and they are affordable as well, so you cannot beat that. And I feel like these type of wigs will last for a while, at least a year or 2 years, if you take good quality care of the wigs. So yes, honey, get you guys a wig from Wiggins hair. I really think you guys would love it. I hope you guys, like I said, enjoyed this lovely video. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think about the hair. Let me know what you guys think my next video should be. I know that my posting lately has been all over the place. I haven't really been consistent, but please do not give up on me, you guys. I am here. I am still here, and I'm here to stay. I'm going to try my best to post more. Yeah, so I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next freaking video.